Hi guys, welcome to my channel Python Nest. In this video we are going to talk about the first problem in Blind 75, which is content duplicates. There are two ways to solve this problem. Let's see what's the problem is. Given an array, integer array nums, return true if any value appears at least twice in the array and return false if every element is distinct. We'll get an array as an input and we have to find if there are any element that is repeating again. In this case, in the example one, we can see 1 and 1 here, like it is repeated twice, so we'll return true because it contains duplicates. In this case, like in the example 2, there is no repeating element, so we'll return false. In the third example, since there are multiple repeated elements, we'll just return true. There are two ways to solve this problem. The first one is brute force. In the brute force approach, we can solve it using for loop, where we can check we can take the first element and we can check whether it is present in the next part of the array, and we can take the second element and we can check next part of the array, and we can check the third element and we can check the next part of it. In that way we can check each and every element in the whole array again and again. Let's code the solution for the brute force. For in range of length of nums I'm taking the current element nums of I for j in range of length of nums, but we are going to start it from I plus 1. If current equals to nums of j, return true, else return false. Let's try to run it. So it's double equals to, yeah, we can see that it has passed all the preliminary test cases. Now we'll submit the program. Here we can see that since we are using the brute force approach, it's taking a lot of time, so we got the error time limit exceeded. One way to but we are almost able to solve 65%, 65 test cases out of 75. So it's the best, it is a good solution, not the best solution. So we have one more solution to solve this problem, which is optimal one, which will use set or dictionary in Python. For that, like, we need to initialize a set. Now I am calling it as scene. If for num in nums, if num in scene return true, or else I'm gonna add scene dot add of num return false. Now we can see that it has passed all the test cases in for the given question. This is how we'll solve the content duplicates basic problem. Thank you guys, please subscribe and share.